Good morning to all. I am P.S. Ranjini, Research Scholar, Jairam Arts and Science College, Karur. Today, I am here to present a title on Projection Pursuit Bivariate Multilayer Perceptor Classification for Brain Tumor Identification. My abstract ID is IMCCRT 20211190. Table of Contents. It contains abstract, introduction, literature review, research methodology, and conclusion. The abstract. Brain tumor is the challenging disorder that has to be identified at early stage for treatment. In order to improve the accuracy level and feature selective bivariate multilayer percepted classification method is introduced. PPFS BMPC method comprises of projection pursuit feature selection process which is carried out in PPFS BMPC method to select the relevant features from the input database, and bivariate multilayer percepted classification process is carried out for brain tumor identification. Introduction. The PPFS BMPC method is introduced to enhance the accuracy of brain tumor identification. An automated detection system was designed to substitute the neurologist's contribution for time and speed treatment process. The nonlinear sparse extreme learning machine was introduced for epilepsy and epileptic seizure identification. The problems in the brain tumor identification from the existing works are addressed by introducing a new method called PPFS BMPC method. Literature review. It deals with brain tumor takes place when cells in brain grow out of control and transfer to nearby issues. The seizure and non-seizure classification method was carried out depending on bandwidth features of EEG signals. The nonlinearity of EEG signals was assessed through computing centered coentropy from subbands. The projection pursuit feature selection bivariate multilayer percepted classification method. The PPFS BMPC method is introduced to classify the patient data with higher accuracy and minimum time consumption. Projection pursuit is a kind of statistical method employed for choosing the relevant features from dataset. After that, the data classification is carried out by using bivariate multilayer percepted classification with the selected features for achieving higher accuracy. The architecture of the proposed PPFS BMPC method is illustrated here. The inputs are collected and after classification and categorizing, the output is obtained. Next is bivariate multilayer perceptive neural learning method. This comprises of an input layer, a hidden layer. The selected features are inputted. Then output layer contains normal data and diseased data. The projection pursuit feature selective bivariate multilayer percepted classification method. The PPFS BMPC method is introduced to classify the patient data with higher accuracy and a minimum time consumption. Projection pursuit is a kind of statistical method employed for choosing the relevant features from dataset. After that, the data classification is carried by using bivariate multilayer percepted classification with the selected features for achieving higher accuracy. Bivariate multilayer percepted classification. A multilayer perception is the machine learning system along with set of feature vector. In the figure, the input layer collects the number of features into the network at time t, denoted by I of t. The results are displayed at the output layer. O of t equal to W3 into H of t, where O of t represents the output at time instant t, W3 denotes the weight between the hidden and output layer, H of t denotes an output of the hidden layer. It is depicted in this figure, which evaluates the accuracy. Next is conclusion. The observed result demonstrates that the PPFS BMPC method improves the disease diagnosing accuracy and minimizes the execution time as well as error rate when compared to existing classification. Thank you.